Wow, guys, this is the Avengers superhero Venom. Wow, guys, this is the superhero Thor. Wow. Guys, this is the superhero Batman. Wow. Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero, guys? Guys, this is Captain America. Wow. What a great and very amazing superhero, Captain America. Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero, guys? Guys, this is Spiderman. Wow, what a great and very famous superhero, Spiderman. Wow. Guys, do you know what is the name of this amazing and very tall superhero, guys? Guys, this is Spiderman. Wow, what a greatest and very amazing superhero, Spiderman. Wow. Guys, do you know what is this, guys? This is Batman. Wow, what a nice and very beautiful superhero, Batman. Wow. Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero, guys? Guys, this is Thor. Wow, what a great and very charming superhero, guys. Wow. Guys, this is Black Panther. Wow. What a great and very nice superhero, guys. Guys, this is Mini Captain America. Wow. What an amazing and very nice superhero, Captain America. Guys, this is Mini Army Man. Guys, this is Mini Iron Man, guys. Wow, what a hero in the superhero collection.